3411 Heaven has been around for a wee 2 months. And in that 2 months, we have one video that has risen above the rest. And that is the unboxing of the Illuminite light bar. And as always, we're trying to step up our game, do a little more for you, the audience. So today, we will be lighting up your world with the Daybetter strip of LED lights. Roll the intro. Now, since I'm not the most engaged millennial, I have to say that I don't really know why so many people want this light strip. But what I've been told is that all the cool kids that use TikTok, I just downloaded it myself, are dying to buy this kit for the low price of $29.99 on Amazon. Link in description. So today, I'm gonna actually show you what's inside this box. But I do have to say, there's a wee bit of disappointment because there's no tape for me to cut on this box, and thus no knife that I can unsheath to cut the tape. So with that said, there it is. We'll take the box, give it a little shake, a little T-Swift, and we'll find that I opened it the wrong way, so you don't actually get to see all the cool stuff, because all the cool stuff is right here. There's 1 and 2 strips of LEDs rolled up into nice little wheels of LED lights. And besides that is a large remote, better than most, power supply, a controller, and then the actual plug-in for the power supply. 10% off Amazon coupon, don't need that. Directions, and we all know that we don't need those. So with that being said, let's pick up the box and actually read what this has to say. So included, this is 32.8 feet, not 33, 32.8 feet of flexible LED strip. And it's powered by a 12-volt DC power adapter, that makes sense. And in total features 600 LED lights. So what it's saying is, not only can it light up your world, but it can do so in a way that's poppin', because you have an LED light controller, which allows you to use a remote to adjust things such as strobe, flash, whatever else you want. It can be done with this remote. So now that we've unboxed everything, let's take a look at the actual lights. First off, we take the power brick, and I thought that was gonna go much smoother. Anyways, but with this one, we can actually do that. Plug it in to our handy dandy power outlet. We take that power brick and goes in like so. Perfect. And then from there, here's the controller I was talking about. Not only does it have the infrared antenna, but it has 2, yes, 2 count 'em, ports to plug in the LED strips. So we're gonna plug one strip over here. And I'm acting like there's a second camera, but unfortunately our second cameraman is a little under the weather. Wasn't able to make it. Then we'll take the other strip of LEDs and plug that in here. And from there, we go to our very large remote that may be covered with plastic. ASMR. And we have to plug in the power first. I forgot that. Plug it in. Power button. That's not gonna work though, because there's a thing for the battery. Dang nabbit. The power strip plugged in. We're running into some technical difficulties. Oh! This may have been a reason to read the directions, I admit, but granted we figured it out in less than 30 seconds, so I think it's alright. We can continue to not read directions. There are arrows, one on the connector that's in, and we line them up. Like blocks when you were a kid. Don't put the circle in the triangle hole because it just won't fit. Bam! Green eggs and ham. We got a green LED light strip. Let's turn this one around. Oh, that's kind of impressive. I did both of them wrong. We figured it out. And we'll see. Oh, that's kind of fun. You can play with it. And we got green. Let's see what this can do. I'm feeling fast. Give me some quick. Okay, I don't know what that does. Slow? Nope, that's not working. Oh, auto. Changing color, flash, ooh, fade, It's a light show in your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, your minivan. You could put these in your minivan if you had an outlet. Either way, they're lights. They'll brighten your world at the low price of $29.99. That being said, here's a little more crinkling of the plastic. Thank you to our friend Silas, who loaned us these lights because we were out of other items to review. If you want a really large LED remote, you can get that with this light kit. Check it out in the link in the description. That's all we have for today, folks. Click that subscribe button, because I know you don't want to miss out on any future videos. Drop us a like. Last but not least, bird out.